married woman it's an interesting thing, right? And I think there's so many situations or things that we deal with that men wouldn't even think about or could even fathom about our lives. The other day, I had a message request on Facebook, and I mean, it doesn't really happen to me a lot. So I decided to click on it and see what the go was, and it led me down a rabbit hole of messages and message requests that I'd not seen from random Facebook users. Not that there were a multitude of them, but as you could imagine, there were some interesting ones, there were some boring ones, there was a few that would make you laugh. Now, I'm pretty hard to find on Facebook. I'm pretty sure to send me a request or even find me, you have to have mutual friends. I don't really have that many photos, not that great with social media. It amazes me how these people that I don't know can send me messages. Reading through a couple, I thought it would be a fun little exercise to rate a few of them. So today, on a 1 to 10 scale, I'm going to rate my spam and message request folder. Let's start off with something kind of chilled. So we're going to start off with Facebook user number 1. How are you, my love? I'm going to give this a 2 out of 10. It's simple, not great, not hook, line and sinker. Facebook user, internet breaker. When I read that to me is an insult. I'm breaking the internet. The internet's broken because of me. Which, yeah, I mean, if you've watched my YouTube videos, definitely that's broken. I'm going to give that one a 6 out of 10 because he's speaking the truth. I am breaking it. But nonetheless, it's insulting. I can't argue with him. I am useless. And he pinpointed that. Facebook user, hi lady, can I please have PLZ, have HAV, number. Now look, if he had have taken the time to spell things correctly, I feel like this would have been more effective than what it is. I'm going to give this a 5 out of 10 just because he is upfront and he's not messing around. Hi lady, I'm a lady. Can I please have your number? Would not give him my number, but I appreciate the directness. I've also got a hola, which I like. It's a bit fun, bit different than your usual hey. That's exciting. We are going to give that one an 8 out of 10, I think, because we're culturally inclusive here. Oh my goodness. Can't believe somebody sent this to me. I'm literally not even playing right now. Send Bobs. I thought this was like an ancient mythical proverb. I didn't think people actually sent stuff like this. Pardon? I'm giving that a 1 out of 10, unoriginal. Boy, we've all heard it before. It's like a send nuds, send nudes. It's like, it's been done. I'm not captivated by it. I'm over it. I've got a HIE of another Facebook user. Now, I did stop on it. So that E, I mean, it makes it a little bit, I don't know, there's like something about it. That extra E is a little bit exotic. It catches my attention. Who would have thought that an E could... I'm giving this a 9 out of 10. I don't know why. I don't really have an exact reason. It feels right. The 9 out of 10 feels right. You are a male doing this. You want to be ahead of the curve. Try and think of something fun to say. Maybe not commenting on their body or give me your number. But I think something as simple as hi, I mean, with the right lady, could work. Another Facebook user. Hi, my friend. I want to friendship with you. Can you reply to my message? I'm waiting for your well response. Now, Facebook user, I'm sorry. I've left you hanging. You sent that to me in 2018. He is waiting for my response. I love it. I like the, hi, my friend. I want to friendship with you. It's It's nice. It's simple. It's effective. The double use of friendship is really what stands out for me. So I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10 because we love friendship here. We love anyone who's about it. So to the legend who's waiting well for my response, let's friendship. What else we got? Shazza. And if you're not from the area, I'm pretty sure that means like girl, like that chick, like just like that girl over there. There's no other explanation with it. It literally just is Shazza. Shazza. I'm not impressed. 0 out of 10. If you use this, grow up. It's not on. If you use Shazza, you're probably trash, so don't talk to me. Now, I think I found my favourite one. You mess. Perfect. Why I like this so much, this is for sure a 10 out of 10. Why I like this so much is the fact that his accuracy in being able to judge me through a couple of photos is unbelievable. Decide so much on someone based on a few photos. How does he know I'm a mess? It's not untrue. My life shambles. But he really just, it really just hits so close to my heart. Really, really gone above and beyond to get his point across, and I appreciate it. In conclusion, ladies, if that boy is not texting you back, if he is not giving you the time of day, don't chase him. I strongly urge you to do a bit of soul searching. Look deep inside. Go down, deep down into your DMs. Because if that special someone is not giving you that attention you need, I'm sure there's some random Facebook user out there somewhere across the world that is willing to.